Hi guys, this is Nunu and I'm here with you in home, our bulletin board to our classroom English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. Let's see what we have on our bulletin board this week. Okay, so we are week 3 in modules, February 24th through March 1st, 2020. You have discussion 2, check the due dates please, and you have an MLA quiz. Our artwork for this week is another image from The Simpsons. It's Bart bored in classroom, maybe because what he's learning is not meaningful. And that idea fits right in with our class topic. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates? And what is the solution or solutions to this problem? Okay, let's go ahead and let's click on week 3 in modules, and we are here. Discussion 2, learning how to write a college level essay, the Javon Johnson essay, 120 points, 1,000 words. The essay is due March 1st and peer evaluations are due March 8th. Clicking on this assignment as we go down, we can see that we have, as we did with discussion 1, we have a part 1 with the due date of March 1st, and we have a part 2 with a due date of March 8th. Okay, if you cannot make these due dates, please do not submit your work without coming over here to inbox and having a conversation with me here, a written conversation telling me what's up. I'm going to click on the syllabus right here, and I'm going to go down to the late assignments policy. I'm going to ask you to follow it, please. The late assignments policy. I do accept late work and I don't deduct points for late work, but please do not submit late work without having a conversation with me first about why you need to submit late work. And a conversation is not a one-way email from you to me telling me that you are submitting work late. Talk to me in person during my office hours in General Classroom Building 210D on Tuesday, Thursday from 1 to 2:30 p.m. on the phone, and I give my number here, or via email or here in inbox. Okay, it's very important you follow that late policy. Okay, I'm going to click back on home here and scroll down to this image of Bart and our class topic, and I'm going to remind you to contact me here in inbox if you have any questions or concerns. You're never ever bothering me. Anything I can do to help, I will. All right, let's have a good week.